Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. The question is, if you are not in this channel, where are you? Making money online, whether you're looking for opportunities to make money online via applications or app, whether you want to make money via investment, whether you want to make money passively, whether you want to make money for free. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Thing that actually happened on my ETB. Now ETB is this part here, this program here, right? I've joined this and I paid my $9 and everything, and then I started inviting people. I don't know what happened, because what happened is I got this $1 at the bottom. Let me show you guys at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see, my screen is not hiding. Let me zoom it in so that you can see it here. This $1 over here. Let me just open this and then you can see what they actually say about this $1 that I got. Okay, I think they have put how much, I don't know how much, and then it ended up being a $1. Okay, what is going on? Oh, I zoomed out. All right, so as you can see here, they say at the bottom, you see here at the bottom, you can see that. Oh, now I see. You see, these are the metrics. Now this is so good, man. Let me tell you something. This program is amazing. I don't know if you are not here where you are. Okay, now when you join, obviously you pay your $9, right? And then after you pay your $9, you start inviting people, right? Sometimes obviously it takes some time where you don't get people, right? You don't get people and then you are struggling and everything. When they do their metrics, they do their thing, and then they check around, and then they do whatever. I think sometimes it does happen that you get money, just like you see here. I got this $1 here. Okay, I had a 50 cent, right? And then when I checked there last time, then I saw this closing balance. That means they do their metrics and then they give commission away. Now just imagine if I had people who joined me right on the ETB. They joined me, they paid their $9, whatever. How much do you think would have that been? You know, it could have been more, you know, and all of that. So I got this $1, you know, that is amazing. Okay, and I am going to put more effort, guys, and I'm not playing, I'm not playing, you know, and all of that. So that's what I wanted to share, guys, with you. And if you are a person who's busy getting skeptical, you busy whatever, please, guys, the only thing you can do, maybe you can say, is to say, listen, I don't understand this thing. Okay, please explain it to me. Okay, maybe somebody might explain. And the good thing is they have got videos, guys, that explain. Please, okay, they have got videos where they explain deeply. They tell you how you are going to make money. They tell you what you need to do. They tell you what, everything. They have got videos. Spend time watching videos. Stop using your Wi-Fi, your free Wi-Fi, whatever where you get your Wi-Fi, for nothing. Use it to listen to the videos to understand. And if maybe you need my help, obviously you joined through me and you need help, we can talk on WhatsApp and then I can explain certain things, you know. And you can also come to my videos and everything like that. And then I can, you know, you can see what I am explaining and everything like that. This thing, guys, of you just passing by opportunities just because you don't understand, it's not right. There is nothing in this world that you will do without studying that thing. When you find work, obviously you will have to learn about that work. That's why we've got programs like volunteering, programs like internships, because they want to teach you first before you get in. But some of you want to start making money online. You don't want to get into a website and learn. Get into the website, watch the videos, learn how it works. We are trying to make videos and explaining it so easily to you, but you don't even want to learn. You just want to make money in 2 days. What are you talking about? It doesn't happen like that. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got my Facebook, guys, Facebook page where I'm also sharing these things. So sometimes it's very difficult, guys. You know, there was a guy who spoke about content, who spoke about platforms. I want to concentrate more on YouTube. because on Facebook I also want to, because on Facebook I believe when it comes to making money online, it's actually easier to get people than YouTube. You will get people on YouTube, but if you've got a small audience, sometimes it's very difficult. On Facebook, I've seen that there are a lot of people that are there who are sharing their opportunities, whatever, in groups. And sometimes in groups, man, they just reject every post you make. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the content and you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like the content and if you like to make money online and you want to learn more, you want to know a lot of things about making money online, this channel, it is the place to be. And I don't want to waste your time, because what? I am done. Ladies and gentlemen, link will be in the description if you want to join. Click it, only if you are serious. And this guy, he is out. You take care of yourself. I love you. Shap shap. The finishing touch of sophistication. Complete your look with polo belts, crafted from premium materials for timeless style. Elevate any outfit from formal elegance to casual charm. Luxurious craftsmanship, versatile for every occasion, a statement of sophistication. Discover the perfect blend of tradition and style. Wear the difference.